Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we are going to break down for you how you can duplicate your lists inside your Trello workspace and board really quickly and without any technical knowledge whatsoever. So drop a like and now let us jump right into it. So as you can see, I'm inside my Trello account and I selected this workspace here in the top left corner. So guys, what you want to do in the first step is select the board from that left panel here. And after that, you will see your board's lists and the associated cards listed below. So let's say, for example, I would like to duplicate that list here just for the sake of this tutorial. All you will need to do, guys, to do this is simply click on these three dots in the top right corner of the list. After that, select copy list. And after that, give the copied or duplicate a name, like for example, I don't know, you can keep the same name, for example, and confirm by clicking on create list here. And after a brief moment, Trello will copy the entire list with all the associated cards with the entire content one by one. As you can see, it's a 100% copy or a duplicate. So that's basically it, because that's how we do it. You can repeat this as often as you like. For example, duplicate again. And that's it. That's how I do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.